Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to make a ban command. Start off, we're going to open the start.bat file and type in slappy. Generate a new command with the name ban in the moderation category. Next type in code dot. We can just copy this and go to the ban section, paste it, go back and copy this and paste it, make it async, change kick to ban, go to here and type in await mentioned members dot send ban embed dot catch error function sign console dot log error await mentioned members dot ban days 7 reason catch error function sign console dot log the error, how you want to call it, then just do this, make the function sign message channel send success embed, save it, try to check out where the error leaks. Oh, found it, save it, type in npm run dev, go to Discord, type in -ban, you get this, type in -ban at Bannercook. I cannot ban, wait, why? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I see. Otherwise it sends bananable. I am so stupid. Ban at Pannenkoek was successfully banned from the server. No reason given. We're banned. If we try to join the server. Oh, I need to log in. I don't know it anymore. Cannot accept. Send it here. This user has been banned from the guild. If I go to here, go to the audit logbook, was banned, no reason given. If you try to unban the user, and try to let the user join, the user can join. I try to ban the user with the reason test. It says reason test. Reason test. If you go ahead and unban the user and let the user join the server and go ahead and spam a little and then ban the user, it will delete the user's messages. Bye.